Hello dear friend, there is a major update for Kdenlive. For this update, let's come here to check here about Kdenlive here, and we come to the site of Kdenlive here. You can see here we are now inside Kdenlive. Here you can see free and open source video editors. Come here, and this is actually our update 25.04.1. And a week ago we have already the major update of Kdenlive 25.0.4.0. But after that update, there were some bugs, and when we used same two plugins, there were too much memory consumption of our CPU and GPU, dear friend. But after this update, this problem has been fixed. There are also some major bugs fixes. Don't forget to update this Kdenlive 25.04.1. After this update, Kdenlive will be very stable and the performance of your software will be smooth. Now we will download this update, dear friend. Stay in the class till the end. Don't skip any part of the video. In today's tutorial, I will teach you if you want lower third some media resources for editing your video for YouTube's or for your client works. Inside Kdenlive you can get such type of resources. Kdenlive is one of the most advanced video editing softwares, and there are lots of resources for our title and templates for which you pay money for proprietary software. If you once go through Kdenlive this tutorial, you don't need to pay money, and later if you earn money through Kdenlive video editing, you can just donate to Kdenlive, dear friend. Your one donations inspires the developers to add more advanced features inside Kdenlive. Recently, background removal features has been added. It's working perfectly. If you haven't go through our last tutorial, go and see. But here we will download. Just click download here. According to download the latest version. Before that, if you want to donate, come here, and here you can donate to Kdenlive, and you can read all type of advanced features here which we can't find even in the proprietary software. I have Windows machine, so I will select here installable file. If you have Linux, go for Linux according to your system. For Mac OS, Silicon, Intel, according to your system select. I select installable file here, Windows 11. So we are downloading Kdenlive 25.04.1 here. Very soon we will be inside Kdenlive, and we will go through the lower third etc, some media resources, how to get these media resources inside Kdenlive here. Okay, we have downloaded. We come here to file here. So you see here we have Kdenlive, and just run it as administrator. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes, no, next. Before that, I close Kdenlive here. Next, okay, next, everything is okay. So we are installing Kdenlive here. Okay, finish. Now we have downloaded Kdenlive new version 25.0.4.1 here. Now we come here to our window here, and here we have Kdenlive, and now we open. Now we are opening a new Kdenlive here. You can see our version here. Once you download Kdenlive, you will get this empty Kdenlive and this interface here. So first we have several tutorials in the playlist. Go and see how to set up all the our project etc, start editing. But here today we will go through this how to get media resources etc, lower third text template inside Kdenlive. So we come here, you see here we have sequence. So this is, you see, project being this composition, all type of compositions, all type of effect you will get here. Other effects for our video editing you will get here. Clip, all type of properties will appear here, and undo history, which we do, all the history will appear here. This is our timeline, this is our preview window, and this is our main window where output will appear. So once you come here, and the best way to import our file is just come to our folder here. Here we have record Kdenlive trail, and we will just drag this to our project bin. This is a project bin where all type of medias, photos, stock videos etc will appear. Here you can see now, once we drag our file here, and now it's saying that switch according to the recorded default profile 4K UHD 30 fps. Okay, and we just switch It's very easy. So you can see now we have here in preview window, you can play and see. Now Kdenlive 25.04.1 is available for downloading, dear friend. So now we can see in preview video is okay. Now we can direct drag to our timeline here, and it's a very easy. You see I am dragging and we adjust like this. So this is a B1 track up for our video and A1 track for our audio here. And we have already tutorial about new features which has been added in Kdenlive, and you can go to our playlist and see. So you know we have a video here, and if you want to trim a video, the best way to shortcut is Shift plus R. And when you want to maximize, minimize clip here, just click Control and plus on your keyboard. You see I'm maximizing our clip. Control plus minus, I am minimizing our clip. You can see, and I'm enlarging here. Control plus, you see Control plus. So we have this vacant part and we want to just trim here, and Shift plus R is a shortcut, and just click Shift plus R, and you see very easily we trim once we have cut video into two parts. And after that you come here, I show you settings. In setting here you see configure keyboard shortcuts. In keyboard shortcuts you can assign keyboard shortcuts for removing this trimmed part. We have keyboard shortcuts here, extract clip here, Shift plus delete. I have these shortcuts. From here you can directly change anytime. Okay, we just click here Shift plus delete, and I will just remove this selected parts without any gap. Shift plus delete, you see we have just removed the gap. From here just I minimize our clip here, Control minus, you see Control plus minus, we are minimizing Control plus, and these are very handy. And now we come here, I want to teach you how we can get some lower third etc, because some people complain that in Kdenlive there are few text presets etc, but these are available inside Kdenlive. But actually we don't know how we can get. For this we come here, project here. In project you see here add title clip. Once you click here, this window will appear here, and you can write here actually title. For example, I want to type here Kdenlive tutorial, Kdenlive tutorial, and we have already text class of how to add text etc in Kdenlive. If you haven't gone through that class, please go to the playlist and see. I teach you very fast. You see here, and once we have type here, now we can change the font etc. Any font we can take. You see this font, we take this font. Okay, all fonts are available here. Any font you can take. For example, I take this font. Okay, and a very beautiful font, and we can resize this font. Just select here, and we can change here. You see here we are changing like in this way, Kdenlive tutorial. And from here you can take the bold black. I like black. You can take semi bold, demi bold etc, normal light, but I use black. It's better than bold. Okay, now we have bold, and now we can take any. For example, I take red, such color. Okay, we can take red actually here. From here you can choose or customize. You can customize the color from here. Okay, but okay, now you see we have customized the color. From here you can take gradient, but before that we just create. Once everything is okay, from there are lots of settings here. In the last class I have all settings etc, but okay, create. Now you see we have created here so beautiful text, and we'll just drag here. Now you see we have drag, and we can put anywhere here, for example here. Okay, so we play now. Now Kdenlive 25.0.4.1 is available for downloading, dear friend. Once anytime you can change here, double click, and you can change the size etc. You come here and we can make it bigger, and anytime we can change color. If you want to add gradient, just click here. Now we can come to gradient, and we just click here. Now we have this option. For example, I take here gradient. I want to add here something like this color. Okay, and we can make like this size, and second is black, and we can take something red or yellow. We can take, just we take red. Okay, now you can see we have two colors here. You can add angles. This is angles. You see angles. You can take this flat angle like this, and you see our text is appearing here. You see preview, such type of text will appear here after. Okay, and you can make this resize red smaller. B. you can make bigger, smaller, okay, and everything's okay. Just update here, okay. Now you see we have such type of gradient text and update. Now you can see the effect here. We have gradient. So in this way you can actually add text in Kdenlive. But we need some other things. We want already prepared lower third etc. We don't want to make text give time. If you want to edit fast, you haven't time. So inside Kdenlive you can do such type of thing, dear friend. For this, come here you see text template. You can take these rectangles, you add ellipse behind the text here. But we come here, you see here, just extend this. You can extend like this way, you see. Now you can see here we have this download item. Just click here. From here you can download any type of resources, dear friend. You see there are several resources here. Lower third, word title, these text templates are actually from our community. If you use, you can donate to these hardworking guys who have prepared us the free text and template. All text templates are available here and you can download directly from here. For example, I take this, you see here, this lower third, we just download here. Just click here, install. Now you see, now we have come here, lower third title, okay, and here just home page. This is the page here. Just once click and this page will appear here. You can see all type of guidance how you can add this title. First we come here to download this. Here you can read all, you can support the developer from here for this lower third. And now we come here to download. Click here, this is very small file and just click to download. Prepare download here, just click here and now we will download this. Window will prevent you from downloading. Now you have to just click here, okay. Here you just keep here, keep anyway, because this is the from Kdenlive, this is saved. So don't worry, dear friend, just keep it. We have downloaded. So we come to our folder here, to here folder, and here we have in downloaded our lower third, and we will just extract this, extract all, extract. So you can see we have this file here, lower third, blue, green, white, orange, white, and red, white. And now we just come here to use inside Kdenlive. We will see how we can use this lower third. So once we just close here and we come here, we just type here Control O inside our text template. Remember this should be open, our this add title clip here. So we just click here. Now where we have actually this file, so we have in download sections. So we come here, download folder. Actually this is our download folder. You can see here we have a lower third rectangles, and you can customize the folder where actually you want to put this file. We just double click and we can select any which you want to add any text. So I want this lower third green, lower third red and white. We just take here, add, okay. This title clip was created with different size, okay, no problem. We just click here. So you can see we have this lower third. Now we can customize it according to our need. So we just click here and we type here Kdenlive tutorial. Here we type tutorials for beginners, for example, tutorial for beginners. And here we can add something free course, for example, free course. This is a free course for Kdenlive. Hello dear friend, if this class is useful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more creative tutorial for you. Nowadays I am working hard, but my channel is not growing due to the algorithm of YouTube. But you can make it possible just by writing a comment, subscribing, liking, and you can help me to spread this tutorial to the wide audiences on YouTube, and it may be useful to your dance. Please motivate me. I am too much tired nowadays making contents. Motivate me. Subscribe the channel, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into our next step. So you can see here. Now we have so easily we have added, and we can customize. Here you can change the color. Here you can change. You see everything you can do in a proprietary video editing software. You can do here actually, dear friend. You must have knowledge how we can do, and there are lots of setting in the next class we will learn. So everything is okay. We can just update from here. Before updating, we can change here. We can add like this, okay. And here you can change the color. Actually here it's a white, and we can take something like, you see this color. So this is our beautiful color, and here you can change the background. You see Okay, here animation pattern, these are advanced, which we will learn in advanced class, and you can add actually gradient here. So you can see we can change in this way, and everything is okay, and you can update title. So you see, dear friend, we have updated title, and anywhere we can put, for example, I want to put here okay, and we can make it smaller and bigger in our timeline. So you see, we have actually our lower third, and we just play here. One is available for downloading, dear friends. You know, because here our background is white, so we just double click here. Okay, and we will take this something, we will take other color, and we make here just okay, black. So we have black, and we can change the font from here. We just come here, and normal we take this black font. Okay, so everything's okay, just, and update once again. Now you can see downloading, dear friends. You know, a week ago, yeah, actually you have already animation here, but you can add other animation. If you want to add animation to the text, come to effects here. In effect, we come here, and we want to take actually zoom effect. We want to add zoom effect positions. We just drag to, you can take zoom pen here. We just take this position and zoom, and we add to this our title. So you see, once you click here, this position and zoom will appear here, and here you can start keyframing. So dear friend, our video is here, and when our frame will be here, we will start keyframing. Add here, you see our red diamond means keyframing is active. So we can change the positions here. You see, we can scale like this. You see, scale like this, and we can shift position like something up down. You see here, up like this, and when our frame will be here, you see here, and we will start again keyframing. Again we will add, and we will tag this position something here, you see, and when our keyframing will be here at this frame, we just click here. Again we can add here keyframing, and now we can make it smaller, like you see here, like this. And again when our frame will be here, now we just click here, and we will add keyframe, and we will take some position to here, you see, up here, and we can make it scale up like bigger, like this. And now we can play here. 4.1 is available for downloading, dear friend. You know, a week ago, Kdenlive 25.04.1 was released, but there were. You see now how easily you can add keyframing etc, for which you have to pay the proprietary software, dear friend, and you can do. And nowadays, a lots of new features are constantly being added to Kdenlive. No, Kdenlive has become a polished video editor. So you see how impressive you can add text, template, etc. Now we come here, I show you, and here you just come here. From here you can add more text etc. Hello dear friend, download and see. I have downloaded one for tutorial purpose, but you can download and use for your production. And now we come here for some other resource you can use in Kdenlive. You need intro, outro for your YouTube tutorial etc. In Kdenlive you can do, you don't need to go anywhere, just come here. You see here, edit, here you see view. In view you have to come here and search here, you see resources, online resources. You have to click, otherwise it will not visible, because it's not the default setting of Kdenlive. Once you click here, and you see we have this online resource item, you can download sound etc here, but I want to download YouTube intro. Once we come here, you see we just click here, pixel photo, pixabay etc, just we come here, pixel video, and now we just type intro. Various type of intros etc appear here. I want to see this created by Rostislav Ushunov. Just click here, and we can preview here. So this will be the intro, dear friend. So we want to download, just import, and we click here, import, and here you see this is the size. Please choose the version you want to download, and we want to just put it on default. Okay, and okay, download, add, continue without. Okay, you can beware, resources may be restricted by license. Okay, continue without. We are downloading, just I type here intro mp4. We take this to our download folder here, open, Save. Okay, we have save here. We don't need to go anywhere. It has been saved to our system inside our download folder, and we just drag here. You see here we have appeared in our project bin. Before that, I want to just shift our video, Control A, and we want to shift here somewhere, and because we want to intro to use here, we just okay, we have already used intro here, and we have gap. So remove a space here, just click here. Now we have remove a space. Now we play here. You can see here, and you, if you want to add this text to there, and you can add this text. You see here, very easy. Kdenlive. No, Kdenlive 25.04.1 is available. You can add such type of beautiful intro in your video. You see here. Inside Kdenlive, there are lots of resources. Explore here. You see Pixabay, photo, etc. Free sound. You can take the sound. Just you see here, you can download any sound here. Space, LED intro. These are intro. Come here, sound here. Sound will appear here. In the same way, you can add sound, etc. Photo, if you want a stock photo, you see here, this is a Pixabay photo. Use pixel photo. We don't need to go to anywhere to third party website to download. Just inside Kdenlive, you can download. You can write the themes, which type of stock footage you want here. You can directly type here, and you can use in Kdenlive. So you can understand the might of the power of Kdenlive. It's a so powerful video editors. You see here. For Kdenlive. Now Kdenlive 25.0.4.1 is available for downloading, dear friend. You know, so in this way you can edit, dear friend, and write me which type of tutorial about Kdenlive you want, and try this stock footage, this online resources inside Kdenlive, and write me how is your experience after using this. It will save a lots of time, dear friend. So you can share this to your friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. It may help them a lot. Now let's come to our Kdenlive website, and let's see which type of features have been added. We just click here, because this actually, you see, you can read all this bug fixes, all etc, and some updates which had been made last time. You see, fix high memory consumption of some 2 plugin etc. From here you can read all one by one and download Kdenlive. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.